The sawluv BW58368 Pool Pump Hose is designed as a direct replacement for many popular above-ground pool systems, so it connects cleanly to existing sand filters, heaters, and chlorinators without fiddling or extra adapters. Its 1.5-inch inner diameter and roughly 3-meter length give very steady water flow, which helps the pump run efficiently and keeps filtration performance consistent. The hose is made from thick, flexible polyethylene plastic that resists kinking, collapsing, and cracking, even when it is moved around during seasonal setup or cleaning. Connection points hold a tight seal under normal pool pump pressure, so you are far less likely to deal with annoying drips, air leaks, or loss of suction. Because it is flexible yet sturdy, the hose is easy to route around pool frames or equipment pads while still feeling solid enough to leave in place all season. Owners who need guidance or run into installation questions can rely on responsive after-sales support from the manufacturer, which adds peace of mind for long-term use.